In today's video, I'm going to show you how to speed up or slow down audio in CapCut PC in just a few simple steps. This is a really useful trick if you want to make a voiceover sound faster, slow down background music, or adjust audio timing to better fit your video. Whether you're editing content for YouTube, TikTok, or any other platform, learning how to control audio speed inside CapCut can save you a lot of time and make your edits sound much more professional. If this video helps you out, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your project in CapCut PC. Once your project is loaded, you'll want to make sure the audio you want to edit is already added to the timeline. If you're working with a separate audio file, simply import it and place it on the timeline. If the audio is part of a video, you can select the video's audio track directly from the timeline instead. After that, click on the audio clip so it becomes selected. You should see editing options appear in the right-hand panel. This is where CapCut keeps most of the clip settings, including speed controls. Now look for the speed option in that right panel. When you open it, you'll see a speed slider that allows you to adjust the audio playback speed very easily. If you want to speed up the audio, just drag the slider to the right. As you move it further right, the audio will play faster, which can help tighten up long clips or create a quicker effect. If you want to slow the audio down, drag the slider to the left. This lowers the playback speed and makes the audio sound slower, which can be useful for dramatic moments or detailed narration. Once you've adjusted the speed to the level you want, preview the audio to make sure it still sounds natural and fits your project properly. If needed, you can fine-tune it by moving the slider a little more until you get the exact result you're looking for. And that's it. That's how to speed up or slow down audio in CapCut PC. It's a simple feature, but once you know where to find it, it becomes very easy to use anytime you need to customize your audio. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next CapCut editing guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.